So here's a short introduction of tracking cookies. First, a normal cookie contains data of what a visitor has done on a particular website, such as the page they visit, the content of their electronic cards, and so on. A website that uses cookies will save it on the visitor's computer or device and then retrieve it when the same visitor later returns, so that they can recreate the previous experience the visitor had and provide a seamless experience. On the other hand, tracking cookies are a specified type of cookie that can be shared by more than one website or service. They are commonly used for legitimate marketing and advertising purposes, but because they contain a history of the user's actions on multiple sites, they can be exploited or misused to track the user's behavior. Right here, for example, you're visiting YouTube, you can by clicking on the log, you can see what cookies they are using. But normally, every time when you are visiting a website, it is automatically allowed. And then in order to remove or block any of the cookies, you need to click here to block or remove. And then that is why when I say on the website that if you disable cookies, your browser information, surfing habits, and interest profile are protected.